What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV episode, and we are going to look at another shoe today. And I'm kind of happy about this one. Got it right before the new year, shock drop type of thing. Not as limited as people think, because I know a lot of people that got it, so it's all good. This is the box, and if you read the title already, you know what it is. It's the Undefeated Air Max 97 pack. Let's go. Alright, so the Air Max 97 pack. This is interesting because it was rumored all year that Undefeated was going to put out another set of Air Max 97s. So a lot of the hoop and holler around this shoe came from a 2017 drop of a military, they call it the Military Jacket Green Air Max 97 at ComplexCon, and was to celebrate the 15th anniversary of Undefeated. So very sought after shoe there. It sold out obviously at ComplexCon. Sneakerheads went crazy for it. I think pairs were selling for a lot of money on StockX and what have you. It said Undefeated all around. So this shoe, one of the shoes in here, one of the shoes in this box is supposed to be that, and or a similar model to it, and I'll compare the two real quick. And then a black version of it, and then some keychains. Yeah, so the shoe retailed for $360 the whole pack, and $15 shipping, so $375 roughly, which is pretty cool with me. Two nice Air Max 97s. Both retail $180 and then $15 for shipping. You get the keychains. No real resale value on these as of yet. People are like looking at them like whatever. This box looks pretty nice. It's a nice brown box. I'm just gonna get right into it. I mean, it's kind of small for what it's worth. I got these in my true to size 12s, which was, I tried to go for a 12 and a half. I usually try to get 12 and a half in a Air Max 97 because the toe box is a little narrow, so remember that. But it is what it is. As a shipping pack label, here is one shoe. It's got the Undefeated. I'll just show you this box real quick. Labels on it, size 12. It says Undefeated all the way around. I like these are the specialty Nike boxes, you know, like what they do with their collabs and stuff like that. So it is cool. And then there's another box here. So I see So I saw nothing else in the box. Got the two shoe boxes here. So I'm hoping that the keychains are in each box, which they should be, because one of these boxes has already been opened. So I'm assuming they slipped them into this box, and these will have the keychains in them, because that's really why I bought these, because I like the keychain. So I'm opening the box. It's the black one. Alright, no keychain. Alright, that's nice though. I like that. That's one. Alright, and nothing in here but the shoe. I'm gonna put this off to the side. Nothing. Amazing. No keychain in here either. Great. Thank you, Undefeated, for nothing. So that's that. I mean, it was a limited release, but did they run out of keychains or anything? Because I got mine kind of late. Some people got theirs early, way earlier than me. Like they got pretty much like overnight shipping. So I'm just sifting through to see what's good. Maybe it's in the shoe. Nope, not at all. So yeah, they jerked me on the keychains. Pause. But the shoes are nice, and maybe I'll email about that. Not getting the keychain, whatever. But it is what it is. This is the green one. Boom. This is nice. I'm always skeptical of Air Max 97s because of the narrowness of the toe box. But if you look at this here, look at that. That's kind of wide, and it's straight. And the bottom is. The other ones that I have are very narrow towards the front. I bought those straight from Nike, but I like this. I think this will fit my foot properly. So I always recommend going up half a size in Air Max 97. That's just me, but these are nice. The Air Max 95s fit me well true to size, because that's what I got at size 12. But I honestly think these will work. Not gonna do it on foot for this because I don't have the time to, but these are really nice. That's the green one, and this is the one that looks like the ComplexCon model that everybody wants. That's real nice. And then here's the black one, which I was a little skeptical of, but this is dope. Look at the Volt green, yellow, whatever that is at the bottom here. Undefeated hit right here on the tongue. You see that? Boom. Undefeated all the way around. Now that I never really liked when I saw them, but now that I got this in hand, it's so much better. The quality on this, nice soft leather here. All the accents on the, you know, Air Max 97 accents are nice. It's got that green hit right here, like that military green. Same color as this one, pretty much. You see that? Both shoes are freaking fire. I ain't gonna lie. But no keychain for me. Hopefully, maybe they're jammed in the shoe. Never know. Now with these specialty drops, you know, they want things rattling around the box. Maybe they did throw it in the shoe. I'm being very, very optimistic that I should have gotten a keychain. Now, emailing customer support is a thing that I'm going to try to do with this, because I really want my keychain. It might be in this one, because this one looks like somebody pulled the paper out. No keychain. You want undefeated? I paid pretty much the right price for the shoes, but the whole selling point was the keychain. For me, at least, at the beginning, I thought the keychain was cool because you could change the shoes and stuff like that on them. Maybe those are limited to some people, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, let's go through the details. Orange on the tongue, similar to the originals. Undefeated there on that one. All the way around. This green is so butter, so butter. And again, the undefeated accent around where the, you know, the Air Max 97 custom like design here, the way they do it is nice. The mesh on the toe box, very, very premium. All this is really nice, man. It's a good shoe. They did a good job on this pack. And like I said, I was very skeptical of this, but it's really, really up to spec, and I'm actually happy I bought the pack. Resale on these is not very tough. This one's selling for like $120. I actually saw a pair of these move for about $120, $30, $40 on StockX recently. So people trying to move these is it's gonna be a tough sell, just because, yeah, these shoes are even though they're kind of limited, and they did release them individually, by the way, so you could have gotten these individually. And I feel like I got my shipment late because I wasn't part of the original shipment, so it's kind of off-putting. As I just got them now, I heard people got theirs really early, and maybe people on the West Coast got all the specialness, but whatever, I'm just a regular guy. But I like these, and I'll give them an 8 out of 10. Air Max 97 is one of my favorite colors. I got Air Max 97 is one of my favorite silhouettes. I only have one pair right now. I wish I had silver bullets. Those are dope. I got the undefeated now, so that's a keeper. And this black and green and yellow is really nice to me too. So this will get some wear. Yeah, overall, like I said, 8 out of 10 on this one. Actually, 9, 7, 8 out of 10 altogether. Dope shoes. Tell me what you think about the Air Max 97 pack. And if you did buy them, let me know if you got the little keychains with the changeable shoes on them, because I didn't get mine. And I heard on Twitter a few people didn't get theirs either, so it is what it is. But yeah, it's another episode. Holla at you. Shout me out in the comments and all that stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we out. Peace.